guys, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning about volcanoes, experiments. So, first we have to focus what we need. So, first you need bottles. You can use any bottles. So I've got 4 bottles because I'm going to use them. Next, what you need is you need fairy. I've already poured in some fairy. Next, what you have to focus on is the lemon juice. You can use vinegar or lemon juice, but I'm using lemon juice. Next, what you need is you need food colouring. If you want, you can use food colouring, or if you don't want, you don't have to. But I want to use food colouring. Then what you need baking powder. So now what we need is, we need to test our experiment. Now let's get started putting in our colours. First, I'm going to use red. Then I'm going to use orange. Next, I'm going to use the Coca-Cola. Next, what I'm going to use is the blue colour. I'm going to put in the blue colour. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in the juice. Wow! So now it's coming up and it's rising. Let's watch it go. There. Whoa! Look at that. It looks superb. Look at all of those bubbly bubbles. Wow! So now it's coming up and it's rising. Let's watch it go. There. Whoa! Look at that. It looks superb. Look at all of those bubbly bubbles. Whoa! Looks beautiful. Wow, this is a beautiful colour. Look at that bubbly cup. Beautiful orange. It's so light. This is like soda. So bubbly. This blue looks beautiful. Because you watched this video, I want to ask you a question. Can you guess what I was reacting? I know you know, but I am going to show you just in case. So, it was carbon dioxide. What its meaning is CO2. happened. What happened was the lemon juice and the baking soda mixed together and it made CO2. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye! Thank you for watching this video.